We have a new project here looking to set up this Rocksolid garage floor coating, which is, they say it's not epoxy, it's polycuramine, and we are looking to put that on. The steps are to clean the garage with a degreaser. I used the Rustoleum Degreaser available. I'll put the links in the video and the description. And then the etcher that comes with this kit. So this kit is for a 2.5 car garage, and my garage is about a little more than 2. But the challenge I had was that the product is just not enough. I've actually used up 2 of those kits, and I have a third one coming today. Amazon was actually $15 or $20 cheaper than buying from Home Depot. But I bought, as you can see, some dark spots there and some bubbles being formed after the cleaning and the etching was done. But overall, looks like it's a good product. We have to see how it it does enhance some of the cracks, which you usually don't even see on the bare concrete. But if you take a look, it's cured for being able to walk on it, but you can't drive on it until 24 hours. In 8 hours it cures. But there's what I have right now is a plan for it. Has a third 2.5 car garage kit. So I've spent almost more than $600 on this stuff. But the goal is to have all these marks. I had to walk on it to burst some bubbles, so you'll see some marks and kind of a bubbly growth. What happened here is, because the temperature here in Colorado was in the 90s, 95, 96, it caused the side facing the sun over there to bubble up. And I went in and rolled over the bubbles, but it did leave some of these bubble marks. Since I'm going to do another round, another coat on it, that's going to happen today. It's already 3 p.m. and my goal is to do it at 5 p.m. so it cures overnight and doesn't have the bubbles. But the goal will be to get rid of all these marks, some of the concrete still showing after using 2 of those kits. So I really wanted it to be thick, so I'm using a third one now. And I will let you guys know how that goes as I finish that tonight. This is one last cleaning before the final coat is going on here. We waited a couple of days. You see all the bubbles burst those, sanded them down, and vacuumed and blow dried the floor, and now just a quick wipe. And here's the third box that I'm using for garage epoxy Rustoleum kit. This is the third 2.5 car garage box I'm ending up using to get a nice coat. All these 3 of each, with each being about $215. This is $645 for the whole thing. Expensive, but hopefully it comes out good. And then we'll put on the final coat, we're going to put these chips on it. Now that I have 6 of these from 3 different kits. And in the final coat, we're also putting the anti-skid, 2 of them. Let's see how it turns out. Final coat of paint with brush in the corners and the squeegee to spread it. Here's spread the paint and get it all over, as it is the final version. And then we'll sprinkle the chips on this too. The right way to apply chips, so high up. I have 6 of these bags now because I have 3 kits. I'm going to apply as much chip as possible because they hide the imperfections as well. the sides. This is how it's turning out. The chips are really hiding the imperfections that we had over there, so it's perfect. And this half of it is 3/4 down here. Nicely done. Put some more paint. Get the side done, and then we'd be off to this side. The key is all the brushing and scraping, sanding that has been done, as you can see, to snuff out the bubble. The chips are supposed to cover those imperfections. Even right now, as I'm walking barefoot on this side, which has been painted 2 days ago, it's pretty smooth. It's not bad at all. But trying to get it as smooth as possible with all these chips to cover the imperfections and the final paint of coat and all these shoe boot marks. So these are the kind of bubbly issues I had because of high temperature. Paint. Here are the scuff marks are being painted on. See how that goes. Nicely covered. Nice. Hide them, scuff marks. It's good. I like it.
It's pretty.
Hello everybody, final product here. Turned out pretty good. All the imperfections are hidden. Nice shiny gloss. It's raining outside, so I have the garage closed down. There are some clumps of the chips that we threw up in the air. We covered some of the areas that were more where the bubbles weren't quite sanded down properly, or couldn't sand it down without exposing the concrete. But in general, it turned out pretty good. It is dry, walkable right now. The plan is to have the cars and the vehicles in tomorrow. So thanks for watching, subscribe, and more videos to come. If you have any questions about this, please ask questions in the comments.
And hit the like button.
Hit the like button, as my daughter said. So see you guys soon. Take care.